I'm Roni. Did you ever want to learn how to make your own vegan cheese and milk? I invite you to join me for a fun, informative class. We will also learn recipes to feature the cheeses we make and various serving options. Simple recipes, simple ingredients, delicious flavors. So, what are we going to make? A beautiful cheese block that you can slice with different flavor options. Melty cashew mozzarella that you can use for pizza, nachos, panini, and more. Almond feta and spinach brick as pastry. A delicious tzatziki. Tofu feta. Cashew yogurt. Sweet and savory sunflower spreads. Oat milk, sunflower milk, and almond milk.